Hey guys, the official Samsung Galaxy F aka the first ever foldable phone of Samsung is here. First up, why I call it the Samsung Galaxy F. The Galaxy X wanting the name for the foldable smartphone. Samsung never officially said or unofficially said anything about this Galaxy X name. They always referred their foldable phone as just foldable phone. According to MMDDJ, Galaxy X wanted the foldable phone's name and he did later on reveal the name Galaxy F. Apparently, the Galaxy F will be the name of Samsung's first ever foldable phone. According to previous rumors, Galaxy F will be launched at CES 2019, but after the reports coming in that Huawei is working overtime to be the first smartphone manufacturer to bring a truly foldable handset, that's why Samsung might have all the reasons to speed up the production of its foldable handset. According to Wall Street Journal, Samsung's foldable smartphone will be equipped with a second display on the outside called as display bar. Furthermore, they have reported that Samsung's foldable smartphone, codenamed Winner, has a 7-inch screen which once folded has the size of a wallet. On the basis of the news provided by the Wall Street Journal, Let's Go Digital began searching for a patent that matched this new leaked information, and they found one which came out in the month of July, and it's titled Foldable Electronic Device including Hidden Display and Information Display Method. So we have a Samsung's foldable smartphone with a hidden display which seems to be at the back of the phone. Once you fold the phone, you will be able to see this small display, and it will display information like time, date and notifications, and even app icons depending on how large the display is open. As you can see on the back, it has this thick thing like of sliding mechanism is implemented in order to protect the secondary display. So when this device is unfolded, your back display will be hidden, and once you fold it, it will reveal itself. The content is shown on how large the display is visible. A small area will show smaller text and icons, and the larger area will show large text and icons. Samsung's foldable phone must have a secondary display outside of the body in order for you to interact with it. Now this patent also shows that Galaxy F will be compatible with S Pen. It makes a lot of sense since it's a large 7-inch phone, so users will be able to interact with the foldable phone with the help of a stylus. Now as for the launch date, in an interview, Samsung's mobile division's CEO DJ Ko confirmed the company is looking to introduce its first foldable Galaxy phone as early as this year. Reportedly, the firm made a survey asking consumers if they want a foldable smartphone, and the answers were positive. DJ Ko said that Samsung's Developer Conference 2018, which is set for November 7 till November 8 in San Francisco, could be when the announcement takes place. Furthermore, he talked about the foldable Galaxy F, that it's going to be useful and not just a gimmick. The software experience of this phone will be different than any other phone or tablet. DJ Ko also said that most of the features will work when the device is folded, and some will require you to unfold it, like browsing or watching media. And because of the different software experience, it will provide a meaningful use to the consumers, which is why they're gonna pay near $1,500. So yeah, that's all on the foldable phone of Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy F. Are you guys happy or excited for the result of Samsung's hard work? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments, and it would mean so much to me if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.